PLLE takers, aside from mastering the TOS and nursing concepts, ito pang isa niyong bagay na kailangang alamin para makapasa kayo ng board exam. You need to have a background about our Board of Nursing members. Kasi whether we like it or not, they have their backgrounds, they have their specialties, and that can actually influence the choices of questions na lumalabas sa board exam. So, maigi na alamin natin ang kanilang background at mga specializations. Pero hindi naman ibig sabihin nito na hindi na natin bubusisiin ang TOS. It will just help us na mag-prepare pa. So, welcome to my new series, Getting to Know Your BONs. So, for our first BON, she is a nursing rights advocate. So, talagang pinaglalaban niya yung mga karapatan ng nurses. At alam niyo ba, isa siya sa mga dahilan kung bakit nakaka-experience na ang mga nurses ng salary grade 15 ngayon. Na kung hindi niyo to pinaglaban, talaga namang mababa pa ang mga sahod natin. So we are very thankful for her work. And aside from this, she has an extensive background on nursing education and public health. So ano ang specializations ng una nating BON? Legislation and policy work, nursing rights and patient rights, advocacy, nursing education, and public health. Ito na yung susunod natin na BON. This BON I personally know because I got to work with her. So, this BON has an extensive background on adult health. So, matagal yung years niya practicing as a staff nurse. And talaga namang napakalalim ng kanyang adult health experience, especially when it comes to non-communicable diseases. Then, she shifted her practice from the hospital setting to public health. At yun na ang talagang mas naging specialization niya through the years. She focuses on creating advocacy and research on non-communicable diseases such as hypertension, diabetes, COPD, asthma, at iba-iba pang non-communicable diseases. In fact, she is an author of so many books tackling health promotion on these topics. Also, she has a very extensive background on research. Talagang if you search her name, marami kang makikita na research materials niya over adult health, research, and policy making. She is also a very well-known nursing educator. So marami ang specialization si ma'am. So ano-ano ang mga to? Adult health nursing, especially a focus on non-communicable diseases, public health, nursing research, and education. So we are now on to BON number 3. So this BON, aside from being a registered nurse, she is also a registered pharmacist. So yan, we really need to take note of that dahil maaring malaki ang impact nito sa board exam. So watch out for your pharmacology topics, nurses. She has an extensive experience on nursing education. And one of the things talaga na pinag-aralan niya at ni-research niya is yung fostering a caring environment even in nursing education. Kasi she believes that if nursing students will experience a caring atmosphere, they will carry this virtue with them even if they work as registered nurses na.
So right now, for this part 4, we are going to introduce two BONs. So our first BON, her expertise and background is psychiatric nursing. So yun na nga, baka nga medyo challenging ang NP5, kaya extrang maghanda RNs. So yun ang kanyang expertise when she was still working as a staff nurse. But as she progressed through her career, mainly her focus was already on nursing education and research. So yes, another tip, research. So that's our BON number 4. BON number 5 naman tayo. So si ma'am, ang expertise niya ay adult health nursing. So nurses, key on that, adult health nursing. So possibly there's a big challenge with NP3 and NP4. So kailangan i-master natin ang med-surg concepts natin. At huwag malilito, have a good foundation natin. Aside from adult health, talagang her career was also focused on nursing, education, and research. So our BON number 6, yung background ni ma'am, is on OR nursing. So nurses, make sure that you master concepts and principles and interventions in perioperative nursing. And our last BON is someone who has a seasoned career in nursing education. Matagal na si ma'am at talaga namang very extensive ang kanyang experience. And her favorite fields are leadership and management. So nurses, make sure that you have a good foundation on your Palmer concepts at para handang-handa na kayo na makipagbakbakan at sagutin ang tanong ng ating mga BONs. So yan nurses, kilala na natin lahat ng ating 7 BONs.